Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another brand new SFHD tech video. So today I have with me a tripod. So tripods are very essential for lives. If you're a YouTuber, if you're a videographer, if you're a vlogger, if you want to take selfies, group selfies, a tripod is very essential for that matter. So today I have with me an affordable price tag tripod which you can buy. So this costs just $15 to $20, which is not a huge investment considering a tripod. So today we are going to do an unboxing and review of this device. So guys, most of the tripods which you can get for $15 to $20 price tag is not that much quality. Sometimes they break, sometimes they bend, sometimes they falls, or your phone also might take a risk getting fall. So today we are going to do an unboxing and review of this device. If you're new to my channel, definitely subscribe and press that bell icon so you won't miss these types of awesome new tech videos. So now let's get into the video and see. Let's get started with the unboxing of this device. You can see at the back you can see the specifications on this device. At the front you can see the Mi logo. Now let's get unboxed. You can see peeling off the case. You can get the remote with this device, the Bluetooth remote, and this also can connect with the smartphone and use as a shutter button for video and photos when you're taking group selfies. It's a very handy feature to have. And let's remove it and see what you get inside the box. You can see this polythene, and let me see. Yeah, I have got the black color on this device. You can see the shutter button which blinks when you connect this to your device, and you can press twice to stop a video and record a video, and you can press once to snap a photo like that. It's a very handy one to have. And you can see the micro USB port which you can charge this device and use it for like 2 weeks. Yeah, and you can see our product. Let's take it off. You can see the user manuals and the paperwork. So you can see the user guide. This is the English one. This is the one I recommend you to read because the Chinese one is just mess up. And you can see here all the things included. If you don't know how to use this, you can try this user manuals and see. So now let's get into the tripod and see. You can see the color I have got is here the black color, so it gives it a very sturdy look. I mean, it doesn't get dirt. Like if you get the white one, it will get automatically dirt and it will get dirty because white color, when you have a white color accessory, the dirt is more visible, but on this you can't even see anything. So it's a very good thing to have. So if you're buying this, I recommend you to buy the black color because it's a bit sturdy and it won't get dirt. Let's get into the build quality on this device. You can see that the device is made out of plastic and rubbery materials. You can see on this mid part, you can see the device is made out of rubber, and on this part you can see the device is made out of hard plastic. And you get 3 legs on the bottom like this, which you can make use of this to keep it on a surface. And you can see there are 3 rubber knobs over here to make it very stable. And you can see the remote here, which you can put the remote, and you can see that there is a remote shutter also which you can use to take a photo. And you can remove this like this, and this automatically attracts and it won't fall because this surface has a magnet attracted to it. So you must not worry the remote being fall. And you can see on the top you have the mount which you can rotate up to 360 degrees, which is very good. And you can see the device which you can rotate it 180 degrees, another 180 degrees equals 360 degrees. So it's a very handy feature, and you can use this portrait mode to get a photo like a group selfie, and you can use this mode to take an rear video. And you can see that the device you can bend the mount up to this part, and this part also you can bend it up to only this much because the remote is over here. But I don't think why they haven't give this feature, because in this part you can make use of up to here, but in this part you can only make use up to here, not up to this part, because there's a remote there. But I think they have at least should give up to this much, because some people like to do very very attractive camera shots. So for those people, I don't think that you can't do that shots with this device, which is a bummer, because for me, when I'm doing videos, I need this part up to this much of layer. So otherwise I cannot take the table, the surface that I'm videoing. So that's a bit of a bummer. You should live with this device. So apart from that, others are very good. The build quality is great and the stability also very good. You can use this too, and you can you can see, you can adjust it, and you can see there are two metals plates here. And let me bring my camera here, and you can see I can put it very stable and it won't fall. You can see it won't fall. You can see it's very handy, right? And you can see that you can even put an iPhone 11 Pro Max, iPhone 12 Pro Max, and Note 20 Ultra, which is very heavy on this device, and it won't fall. You cannot put like big cameras to this because this service is so tiny. So a smartphone, any smartphone you can put to this device, but if you put an 6.9 inch device, the device will like not being very stable on this device, because it's only this much you can put on this device. But you can manage a 6.7 6.8 inch display on this surface, which is very good. And you can also make this use as a selfie stick. You can see up to this much, I think you can put, yeah, up to this much only, which is not as say long as an $10 price tag tripod. So it's a bit of a bum, because my previous tripod can do more than this, so it's a bit of a downgrade. And you can see it's like an umbrella, and it's made out of high quality materials. So it's like an umbrella. When you make use of an umbrella, you just need to stretch this like this. So it's a handy feature to use if you are taking group selfies. And you can also use this as vlogging. You can see you can use it to every direction you will like this tripod, and it's a perfect tripod if you're starting a YouTube channel, if you're a vlogger, if you're starting like photography, videography. This is a great tripod to start with. In conclusion, this is one of the best tripods that I can recommend you under the price tag of $20. If you're a YouTuber, if you're a vlogger, if you want to shoot YouTube videos, if you're a photographer, if you're a videographer, then this is one of the best tripods that I can recommend. Or even a selfie stick, because you can use that as a selfie stick also. So you can buy this from the link given in the description from AliExpress, and you can use the coupon codes given down in the description to get some offers. So that's all for the video. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Definitely subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends, and thank you very much for watching this video. This is SFST Tech, and I'll catch you in my next video.